This is the first interview I've had in a car. I feel like we're in carpool karaoke. It's awesome. What has been your favorite experience in your program?
My favorite single experience so far was probably the kind of cumulative experience of working on the sheds as a group. I think it really bonded everyone in my class together. It was such a sometimes insane feeling thing to be building these very, very elaborate sheds like in the middle of winter in Massachusetts, but we learned a ton during that time. And I don't love the winter. I spent the last 4 winters pretty much getting to work right as the sun was coming up, being in a windowless space, and then by the time I got out it was dark, so I wouldn't see the sun almost at all. So spending this whole, even though it was freezing, spending this entire winter out in the sunlight working on something that I really cared about, with such great people, was a really fantastic experience. It was probably one of the most pleasant winters in my memory. I also really love the fact that I can walk around Boston with such a new appreciation for the city now. Just being able to sort of walk around and see the kind of peel away the layers of the building, of history in the buildings that I see now has given me a real new sense of appreciation for where I'm living. In general, the history element of preservation carpentry has been really enjoyable for me. I'm constantly getting chills, feeling like I'm in the right place at the right time, like more than anyone deserves to be. Because it's true. I did 2 pretty different things for the past 8 years, but they both seem to have, the skills that I picked up in both of those fields come up in, PC all the time.
Yeah, they've led you to this for sure. I can tell. I thank you for your time so much. This has been really great. I will talk to you soon.
All right. Talk to you soon.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.